Hi guys, in front of me is LG Q70 and let me show you how to apply night mode. So whenever your eyes needs a bit of rest, you need to open the settings, then find and pick display, and now click on night mode. So all you have to do to use night mode right now is to click on the stop switcher, and now it is active. You can switch it off the same way, but you can also schedule it. So right here you can do it, smoothly mark the switcher, and by tapping on the left side of the icon you can set some rules. So it can be either active from sunset to sunrise, or you can set some particular time between which it will be active. So smoothly enter it here and it will be applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.